It's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connects, and I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Just click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Okay, so new hair, who this? Okay, I'm still trying to get into it, y'all. I still don't know how I feel. I feel like at any moment these curls are going to throw up and give me a style I did not ask for. Neither here nor there. So today, how do we get here? You saw the thumbnail. You can clearly see what it is. Your question is, girl, how did you get here? So I got here because, and I talked about it in a vlog that may or may not be out yet, but I was celebrating the fact that my Cowboys Nation, my team, the Dallas Cowboys, had a victory, and I wanted to wear our colors to work, you know, basically be a troll because I live in Pigeonville, and so I wanted to wear our colors to work. And everything, it was in my head except, girl, what bag are you gonna carry? And I was like, oh, you know what would be nice? A gray Pillow Tabby 26. And I don't know why the thought crossed my mind, but all I heard was, or you could just carry this navy blue Michael Kors bag that you'd never reach for at the top of your closet. So that's what I ended up carrying that day. Cut to the very next day. I was cleaning out my emails and all the random promotional emails that I get because, child, the swiper keeps swiping, okay? And I got an email from Marc Jacobs, and this item was included in the email. However, it was full price. Immediately no. So I'm like, because I've come to grips that because it was a, I guess, exclusively released to certain stores only, the likelihood of me finding a gray Pillow Tabby 26 is like finding a needle in a haystack. So I was like, okay, so this might be what I actually, you know, might be a good replacement for that desire. And so I Googled this item, found that Zappos.com had it on sale. I remembered that I had a Zappos.com, what is it, 30 off 200 coupon. Listen, okay, add to cart, place order, and it was shipped by Amazon Prime. Who could ask for anything more? So here we are. We're going to check and see. This is my first time ever seeing this item up close and personal. So if you are interested in seeing this item, as you can see, woo, I'm stuffed with big deals, okay? Amazon shipping. If you're interested in seeing this item up close and personal, like I said, I know you saw the thumbnail, you can see what it is, but if you are interested in seeing me unveil this item, stay tuned. So this is pretty much straight to the point. It's an unbagging, if you will. I hate the way so far all of the bags that I've received from Marc Jacobs. I hate the way they've been packaged. I hate the way they've been shipped. They're just like thrown into a box, or like thrown into, like, this is not even padded enough for the way this bag has been packaged. This is it, y'all. That's it, that's all. That's it, that's all. That is literally it, that's all. Like, no type of wrapping, no type of, let's make sure this leather bag is protected en route to the customer. Just plastic bag, the end. So this bag is by the Marc Jacobs, okay? And child, this is just a disaster. What is happening? This is her, y'all. This is her. So this is the Marc Jacobs, I think it's called like the Puffy quilted shoulder bag in the color wolf gray. Is this a scratch? See, already I don't want to scratch too hard, and then is this glue? What is happening? Okay, so this is the Marc Jacobs Puffy Quilted Diamond Shoulder Bag in the color Wolf Gray. And I am in love with the color. I am in love with the concept. Y'all know, again, it's squishy puffy season for me. This size is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want an XXL. I didn't want a mini. I wanted something that's shoulder bag size every day. I'm in love with the silver hardware. I'm in love with the J's. This is her open. This is the interior. It's like a fabric lining. You have the Marc Jacobs tag. There is a zipper compartment on the inside. And then the ultimate reason why I like this bag, wait, let me see, there's one more compartment in the front. But the ultimate reason why I like this bag is because it comes with strap options, including a silver bag chain, y'all. So this is the crossbody strap. It is adjustable. It's a good size. The size of the crossbody strap matches the bag. Y'all know I love a good bag chain, a good bag accessory, and the fact that the bag comes with the chain and it's detachable. Let's play around, shall we? So we have Marc Jacobs engraved in all of the hardware. And so let me see here. So you can unhook this, but if you want to hook on the bag chain, the D-ring here has a clasp that like pushes down, and you can attach the bag chain. Oh, y'all, considering the fact that this is what I do with a lot of my shoulder bag style bags anyway. What? Oh my goodness. And so it just offers versatility for the bag. What? Oh my goodness. Yes, ma'am. This is the bottom. Of course, she will fill out once you add things to her. And so there is a fabric interior. It's like a lighter shade of gray. Dare I say silver, if you will. All silver hardware, which y'all know is my jam. But oh, the bag is just so soft. It's so classy. I love it. It's like understatedly, it's saying a lot without doing the most. If y'all pick up what I'm putting down. Like, this is just everything. And listen, this was the carry of today. And so I wanted something that was like comparable to a Pillow Tabby 26. Like I said, I didn't want an XXL. I didn't want a mini. I wanted shoulder bag size. And I feel like this is exactly, man, let us win again. Let us win again, okay? This is like perfection. Now she's currently stuffed with all the stuff that I carried for her today, within her today. So, but I feel like this is, what I'll try to do is I'll put the dimensions for this bag versus the dimensions for this bag. And yes, y'all, yes, I'm here for it. And so now I have to find, you see she has her charm. I have to find a cute little charm for her. Let's play around and see what fits inside, shall we? So this is currently what's inside the carry of the day. Let's play around and see what fits in here. So we have our Clearly this camera is not down for the cause. As I was saying, this is the carry of the day. This is how she was packed. Just add in my personal phone and my work phone, and that's pretty much it. And then all the makeup items and the travel size perfumes and stuff are inside the zipper compartment. So let's see how much of this fits in our quilted diamond bag, okay? First we have our card holder. So we're gonna play and see where we wanna fit her. We usually put our card holders inside zipper compartments, so she's in there for now. We're gonna take our key holder and place her in here. And let's see here. We're gonna take our AirPods and stick them in the front, away from the closure for obvious reasons. We have our gum. We're also gonna put that in the front. Let's see here, we have 2 pins. We're only gonna add 1. We're gonna put that in the back compartment. So I'm just gonna add this, and my lippy, because I don't think my lotion is going to fit. And I can see this is definitely a Tetris carry, and for that reason, these keys would have to come off the key holder, and more than likely they will get added to, let's see here. More than likely this is a carry where I use the actual keychain on the card holder instead of the card holder and the key case. But this is it with all of the stuff in it. It does not close. So this is a Tetris carry. All of the other essentials are in here now. And it added a little bit of, I guess, dimension to the bag. It added a little bit of bulk to the bag, but not a lot. So I will have to take the keys off of the key case to carry this one. But yes, y'all, she is a whole moment. I feel like I should give you guys some mod shots before I close out this video. She comes in black, and she comes in like a pretty lavender color. Low key, y'all, I think I want the black one because the black pillow tabby 26 that I want with the silver hardware, it's not going on sale. It's going to stay full price because it just is what it is. This, however, in black is on sale. I may double back, not quite sure yet. We shall see how time progresses. But this one right here is exactly what my bag collection ordered. And it's okay because I actually had a Dove Gray Michael Kors bag that I gave away. So I needed a replacement gray bag anyway. This is perfect. That bag was more of a top handle, like tote bag situation. I gave it to my mom. So listen, it is what it is. This is perfection. This is perfection. Let me give you guys some mod shots before I close out. So I put back on the top I actually wore, and I put on a jacket because it's fall and we're heading towards coat season anyway. I am 5'7", I am plus size, apple shape, and I took her to, she's currently on the 3rd hole. There's 5 holes total, and this is her as a crossbody bag, and it's perfection. I feel like it's going to work perfectly for thicker, chunkier sweaters. Of course, you have the option of carrying her like this. Carry her as a shoulder bag. But yes, y'all, this is definitely comparable to my Pillow Tabby 26s. Just the way the bag is executed is like just perfection. So again, this was the carry of the day. So let's just do a quick comparison. So this is the strap drop on the pillow tabby 26. She has, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, I think it's 7 standard on Coach bag. But yes, let me see. Let me make her up a little bit higher, see how I feel. Take her up a little bit higher, see how I feel. So I'm going to put her on the second hole instead of the third hole and see how I feel about that look. Because if you're wearing like a cute little jogger set and like a nice little overcoat, sometimes it's cute to have the bag up a little bit higher. Okay, so it's not bad. Honestly, y'all, I would even take it up to the first one. Just because, I don't know. Let's try it and see. I think I definitely want to double back and get her in black. Just because it's silver hardware. I have so many bags with gold hardware. Imagine that. From the person who said they could not stand gold hardware. So it works regardless. The strap drop is amazing. Only thing she needs now, I wouldn't, just because this chain is not like short, it would be either or for me. It will be either crossbody or it will be carry it like top handle with the bag chain. But I don't like all of this noise. But it's completely up to you. Hopefully you guys can see it's completely up. Child, how about you don't fall? It's completely up to you. Like I said, I put on the shirt I had on earlier. Is not too thick, but the jacket is definitely the make or break when it comes to a crossbody. And okay, Mark, another win, another win. I don't know, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you feeling it? Because I am feeling it. This is exactly what I was looking for. Yes, honey, she is ready for football season. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Let me know what you think of this yummy item in the comments below. If you have enjoyed today's video, make sure you click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. And if you know another bag loving girly who loves all things faith and fashion, don't be stingy, don't be a gatekeeper. Make sure you share this video with her so she too can click that like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. Again, my name is Annitra with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connects, and you have a great week.